Hi, Kaisa. This is Aaron and Emerson. Can you see him? Say hi, Emerson. And there's Maya. And we're at Maya's park. And we wanted to show you the puddle. Look at the doggy in the puddle. Remember when we went stomping in the puddle? We went stomp, stomp. Look at the puddle. It's a big puddle.
Doggy.
Doggy, do you see the doggy, Emerson? Look at the puddle. That's a big puddle. And there's Maya making friends. Those are doggy friends. There's Maya. That dog's running in the puddle like Kaisa. And there's Maya running. Thanks. There's Maya running. Look, and the other dogs are in the puddles. There's Maya in the forest.
Hippo. 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 Hit. Hippo.
Hit ball. Do you see a ball to hit?
Yeah. Yeah. Hit. Maya.
What's Maya doing?
I'm out.
Oh, Emmy wants out? Emmy, you have to wait till we get back in the trees. Back in the forest. Okay. Say bye-bye, Kaisa. Say bye-bye, Kaisa.
Bye-bye, Kaisa.